Good afternoon. I'm Joe Varillo, and welcome to Varillo Motor Car. What we have here is a 1961 Corvette, but it's not just a normal 1961 Corvette. This car is a survivor. What a survivor is a car that's worn in but not worn out. Original paint, original interior, original motor, transmission and rear end, and the underneath of the car is a car that's been untouched. It's been mechanically serviced, maintained, and it's just had a full service in our dealership. But this car has all its original body panels. If you go around and look at the seams, you can see they're starting to show through the paint. It's got some blemishes and some wear marks. This is what you call patina on an original car. The flaws like this, there's chips. But the car is in overall very nice condition, and what's really makes it special is it's a 315 horse, 283 fuel injected car. And even more so, it has the original motor, transmission, and rear end that it was born with. The chrome on this car still has a nice shine. It's got some weathering to it as you go along, but there's no dents, there's no damage. Shows very well. Exceptional, really, really nice car. As we go around and look at the car, you'll see some what they call patina. It's got a great shine. This is called a 20-footer. 20 foot away, car looks like $1 million. You can get in this car and drive it to California. The car has been judged at NCRS at some time ago. We don't have any of the history of the judging, but this car is, I'm sure, done very well. The inside of the car, all the gauges work. The Wunderbar radio works. It has power windows. Now, we have it shown here with no top on it. It has a beautiful white soft top, which if you go on our website at varillomotorcar.com, you'll get to see the white convertible top up on the car. You'll see the hard top up on the car. They come along with the car. When you look along the back, you see some blemishes here, some little nicks and chips in the paint, you see some wear, patina. But again, the bumpers have a nice shine to them still. Again, there's in the back, just like the front, there's no dings, there's no dents. And it's in very, very nice condition all the way around. And the same thing here, if you look at the sides of the coves here in the white coves, it's got some chips in the paint. However, it's got 4 brand new reproduction 670/15 tires. And we can get a closer look at the inside of the condition of the car. As its original seat belts, seats, door panels, and as we get closer to the car, we can take a close look at the dashboard of the gauges, and you can see how nice they are, which they show. The whole car shows very, very nice. So if you want to buy a car that has never been restored to see exactly the way the car came from the factory in 1961, this is a pretty rare find. The underneath of the car, we are going to add some photos to the video because we have pictures of the underneath, is in really nice, clean, rust-free condition. And then we're going to get inside the car and start the car up, and we can look at the engine compartment and we're going to hear the car running. But again, if you come close and take a closer look to the gauges here, you can really see the quality and clarity of. There's no cracks in the steering wheel, a few small blemishes, but all in all in beautiful shape. Take a look at the original Rochester fuel injection. Now it looks like it's never been apart. However, we have had it off the car, serviced, put new spark plugs on, and the car starts and runs like the day it was new. Look at the overall condition. You can see some remnants under here of when the car was originally painted. The paint would have went in underneath the hood, would have went over the engine compartment, and then would have been blacked out. Well, you can see some of the blackout is gone from age. And if you look at the air cleaner, you can still see the AC logo and a stencil, but the air cleaner itself is showing some patina. This has got some beautiful aging and a lot of history and original that you can see where the car came from the factory, how it was restored. Now we're going to hear how it runs. Starts and runs at ease, runs like a Swiss watch. Just nice and quiet, smooth, And this is a car you could get in and drive this car, I believe, to California and feel very comfortable. However, it's not as comfortable and reliable as a brand new Corvette, but it's like driving a fairly new 1961 Corvette that's weathered and broke in. And the old saying that Bloomington Gold uses, a survivor is a car that's worn in but not worn out. Hope you enjoyed the video of this beautiful 61 Corvette. This car is a very unusual car, like many cars in our inventory, but please take the time to go on our website, feel free, and look at 50+ photos of the undercarriage, engine compartment, and many beautiful photos of this car. We have quite an inventory of, we sell restored cars that are highly documented, awarded a Bloomington Gold, NCRS, and we sell unrestored cars and late model cars also with very low mileage. We'd love to earn your business. I'm Joe Verrillo.